another beautiful project which I want to share about you. If you have been mining key, you'll be able to understand particular project. It was when I was doing my research, I discovered a particular project called BitPixl. Yes. So in this particular video, I'll showing you how you'll be able to register and what you need to know about particular project, because these people are building a blockchain also. Will be mining a blockchain token. So you can register through two means, either with phone number or email address. So let me prefer going with email address. So I have to pick my country. My country is Nigeria. Let me just tap it. Yes, Nigeria. Then let me put my email address. Let me pause this video. So you just have to put your email address. I don't want anybody to start disturbing me. So if you're able to follow this video, you'll be able to register easy, step by step. So I have to input my password. Mind if you want to put your password, you could say a minimum 8 character, at least one uppercase, meaning the first alphabet should be a capital letter, and at least one number, meaning after ending it, you should have at least a one number. So let me quickly do that. Let me pause it. So I've put my password, which has the uppercase and a number. So let me tap on next. So let me put on my name, my last name. Let me quickly fill it. So you could see this captured code that I have to do. It says select all image with motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Let me tap on it. Yes. Let me submit. It's submitting. Yes. Get started. Yes. Tap to mine. This is it. Let me tap. So this is what a lot of people are building a blockchain. So I've actually tapped on mine, and you could see it's saying mining section alert. You're saying mining section lasts for 24 hours. Would you like to receive a notification? Yes, I would like it, because most of the time I always forget. So allow notification. So I'll be dropping my referral code in the description of this particular video, so you could use it to start mining this project now. So this is where I will get my referral code here. Then I'll be able to check my team here. You need to just start, because this mining actually start of recent. So let me tap on mining. Okay, my mining section has started. Let me look on my referrals here. Let me just tap on copy. Okay, later on I'll be able to share. So let me quickly tell you some certain things about this particular project. And so let me tap on this. So you could see total mining rate. This is the total mining rate now. You see total completed section is 0. I'm just starting as you are seeing this video. So total mining rate is 0.5. So this coin Atlas native token that we are mining is even very low, that we are mining it compared to other one. So base mining rate, this is it. Referral mining, I haven't have any referral, but after this video and in my community, I'll be able to have some miners. So the same mining section overview. They say this table presents a summary of the mining section you have completed, categorized by, so from 1 to 10,000 user section. So that is how it is, like that. I'll still be creating some other videos on it. So this particular token, what I was about sharing with you is that they have done a something that started early, and they have performed their first halving. Yes, so the first halving took place when the first of all get, just like Ruby. If you are mining Ruby, you understand, when they got from their 1 to 10,000 user, those that were able to start early were mining one of this particular coin. But now we are at around 10,000 to 100,000. I don't know the number we are. That's why we are able to mine at 0.5. Now, if we're able to cross 100,000, from 100,000 to 1 million, another thing will happen, which will give us 0.25. So you are lucky now to still be mining at I tell you, you are still early. The earlier, the better. One of the regrets I'm regretting currently is that I did not start mining Ruby early. If not, I would have gotten over 1,000. Look at it now. If I have over 1,000 Ruby, I'll be able to activate for to participate in the Ruby validator, because it has to be for those having 1,000 Ruby upward. And if you want to buy 1,000 Ruby upward now, what you are talking. So if you looked at the referrals rate here, so if you're able to have from 1 to 10,000 referral to BIX. So if you have 10,000, you'll be able to make this, and you're able to have this to this. and if you're able to have this, so you can just check it out. This is what I will have to tell you about this particular token. I'll be creating another video to explain the ecosystem, what you are seeing here. Yes, the whole thing you are seeing here, what it means. Yes, it's just explaining something, what they are currently building. And not that alone, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to beep your referrals. Just like if I've watched my previous video on Ruby, on how to remind them that, whoa, go and start mining now. You can see my mining has start counting. Once it get to 0. Once it gets to 0.5, it will stop and I will be here to claim. So I have to just claim every day at every 24 hours to tap on it to claim. So make sure you like, click on the bell notification to get notified anytime we upload any other new video. I have a new cryptocurrency course ebook that I've created for free for those who want to start with cryptocurrency. You can just check the description of the particular video to just download it. It is free of charge. So make sure you drop your comment about the particular project in the comment section of this particular video. Thank you and bye bye for now.